Here we have a knife made by Brad Zinker, a Wharncliffe. It's got a duplex grind. I kind of polished this forwardmost bit, trying to optimize the performance for actual use. And I really love this knife. It's incredibly lightweight. It's got a great blade. I mean, it's just really thin down here and slicey, and this tip is very robust. It all works together. Disappears in the pocket. Whittles, whatever. Cool, good knife. However, it's got really bad lock stick. And that keeps traveling over as well. It's really trouble. Titanium frame lock, no insert, whatever. So we need some grease. We can take care of that in a minute because we're going to take this thing a bit. And I have a carbidizer. So this was, at one point, it was meant to be a Wharncliffe Wednesday knife. Then it was ostensibly a Thin Thursday knife. I think it's now going to be a Fix It Friday knife. Well, that's the plan. We'll see how it works out. I'm a complete novice at the micro-welding. So, oh, my head torch is still on. Whoops. Okay. Oh. Pop it out like this. This is a T15, by the way. That's pretty chunky. Appreciate that. This part was easy. No Loctite. And okay, we hung up on a stop pin or something. Yes. So, easy peasy. Yeah, pretty simple construction, huh? Just this standoff and this pin here, and that's it. So, can I rotate? Yes. Should I remove this? It's kind of in the way. Maybe it's like peened in. I don't know. Try. A pair of pliers. I don't think that wants to come out. That's going to have to stay in. We'll try and work around it. So, this thing, I got to plug it in. This one. Whoa! Okay. We have power. Now, don't lose these. Turn my head torch off again. I like the running commentary. Anywhere, I guess. Maybe here, nice and close. Makes more sense. So, I don't know what setting we would want this on. They don't say anything. Top setting, possibly? So, now, when I touch this here, this is going to start depositing carbide. That's the theory. Let's see. So in theory, this is a super thin layer of carbide now that shouldn't affect the lock. Shouldn't affect the lockup. But I mean, if I were able to develop some layers here and make the lockup earlier, that would be good. I don't know whether I should keep going or not. What do you think? You tell me. All right. Whichever one of you just told me to test it before I proceed, you're a wise person, and I'm going with your advice. And to whoever said the other, well, you're kind of like me, so I can't criticize too hard. But we're going to try this now. See whether we can get it back together. I mean, I don't see why not, but apparently the knife does. No? What am I missing here? So I think I might still have all the bearings. But every time I count them, I come up with a different number. They're so tiny, they're like poppy seeds. How do you get them in here and then close the whole thing up? It's a real mystery. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, there are actually 10. There are actually 20. It's the first time I managed to. Well, that's awesome. 1010 is my number. And look what I just found. Yeah, it looks like 2013 to me. Let the record show. I got this far. I got them all in there, put the blade on, and then I used this Dremel sanding bit to keep the place so I can pop these ones in there. Did I lose one? No, don't tell me I lost one somewhere along the way. Let's count them. Oh, where am I? Where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I swear to God, man, I must have lost one. Where'd it go? Did it fall in one of these holes here? Oh no, it's there. I'm tripping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. Well, I don't want to be pessimistic, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to fuck it up right now. So, I just thought I'd film that. It worked. It worked. I got it back together and everything. I think we need some grease. It's still a little a little click, a little grate, but nothing like before. Man, it was really sticky before. And it was, you know. And now, just great. Wow. Well, happy Fix It Friday, everyone. I'm going to be rocking this in my pocket today. Let's whittle something.